Wow. I caught this cat, but I found him a home. But he can't pick him up till tomorrow, so I'm just gonna foster him for tonight. Hopefully everything's all right. He's a little girl, I think. Oh, she's a little girl. Like all my five cats are just curious and just watching. But they've been pretty good with it. They're not attacking her or nothing. You finished running around like crazy? Hey? You finished running around crazy, girl? It's going to be hard to get rid of it, but I think I'm going to have to. Come here. Come here, my little girl. Come on. Hey? Someone take you to the vet? You're very friendly.